Hey guys, this is my vlog of my trip. I will be team driving with my brother in this video. I'm also going to drop some flashback photos, nostalgic pictures right now. Okay, just backed up into the dock to get ready for this load. Let's see. Okay. It's good. It is good. Now you gotta put the landing gear down. I'm in a northern town in California. This is called Bluff. All right, you all, we made it to the truck stop. As you can see, everyone is parked. Gotta get some snow chain from these guys.
See like a grocery store.
Oh wow.
Like, just touch it.
Okay, so this truck stop actually looks like a grocery store.
Now I got this.
Look at this, y'all. This is the cleanest truck stop I've ever seen in my life. And they got kombucha. Y'all know I love kombucha. Y'all know I love kombucha. I'm gonna have to get that Mystic Mango. Whose house? You don't drink kombucha? So y'all know I had to come through with kombucha. Oh, there's restrooms over there, so I'll use the restroom. Now I gotta use the restroom, y'all. They got a beer cellar, y'all, at the truck stop. That's kind of ironic. Truck and travel. What I eat in a day being a truck driver.
And what I eat.
We just had beef stew, y'all. Alright, you all. Now I made it to Portland, Oregon. It is beautiful in Portland. Hey, y'all. My first time in Portland. So cold outside. I do not have a jacket or coat. You can call me unprepared, because I am. There's not a lot of spaces to park.
This the only one out here?
Okay, you guys. I have my clothes in my hand. I wasn't as prepared as my brother with his shower bag and his shower shoes.
I got a backpack I didn't carry.
And he has everything he needs, but I'm kind of unprepared. I'm just carrying my stuff in my arm. You know, everybody in there, we're at a truck stop. So I just got my towel, my clothes, my shirt, my toothbrush, and my toothpaste is already on it, so I can brush my teeth. So I'm about to walk in here to Love's and shower. I didn't bring shower shoes, so we're gonna cross that bridge when I get here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I cannot get in without any shower shoes. I'll probably just wear these because they're kind of mesh material. And I'll just have to be soggy until my next destination. But I take my shoes off if I'm riding anyway. So, yeah. About to shower. I'll touch in with you guys when I'm in the shower so you guys can see.
And both watermelon, correct?
No, I'm gonna get a grape and a watermelon. You want some?
I'm okay.
Huh?
I'm good, thank you. So again, I'm unprepared, so.
Alright, 11:08 for you.
My nice kind brother bought me a Dove soap. So he would let me use his men's body wash. So now I'm waiting for the showers at the truck stop. And they have a laundry room. And they actually wash people's laundry. And they actually have towels. And so I said, oh, I need a towel. My brother goes, they already have towels. And I looked at him and he looked at me. And I looked at him, and he looked at me. Here's the towel drop, because you can use towels here. And I looked back at him, and he looked back at me, and I said, I brought my own towel.
49.
So you got a code.
Please proceed to shower 6.
Then you put it in the door here. 31260. And then that opens your door. You're good to go. Oh, this is nice. Nice. Okay, it's not that bad, y'all. It's not bad. This is okay. This is the truck stop shower that I will be using today. And it's actually not bad, okay, guys? It's not bad at all. Sink, personal toilet, stuff to place your clothes at, shower, toilet. Nice. It's actually pretty nice. Hey, I've been to. This is actually better than some hotels I've been to. So hey, it has soap in here, which I got my own soap. So, and I think we're on a time limit, so I will be getting back to you guys in a second.
20 minutes later.
Bye guys. That was it. Make sure I didn't leave anything in here. Oh. So yeah. Okay guys, I showered, I have my wet shoes on. You can hear them squeaking if you listen closely. You can hear them go squish, 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 because I got in the shower with my shoes on. Because I didn't have any shower shoes and I wasn't prepared. So now I'm going back to the truck to put my stuff down. You go back in, I see this really cool mask and it like covers you up from your neck up to your mouth, over your head. And yeah, I really want one. So I'm gonna go in. I feel like I'm touring, like I'm a tourist. But yeah, I'm gonna go in and get one of those. So I gotta put my stuff down first because I feel like I'm carrying so much stuff right now. My soap and my toothbrush and etc. Nothing crazy. All right, you all good people. I am back. Put my stuff away, and I just want to show you guys how wet my shoes are right now. And you can hear it if you listen closely. But that's okay. Next time I know if I'm gonna be showering, bring shower shoes, girl, because you know, just gotta stay safe. So also, I put a lot of stuff in trash bags. So if I drink a water bottle, immediately I put it in the trash. You know, I just don't want to accumulate any trash or junk in the tractor. So I'm gonna go back in the store, see what I can find, see if I can find that beanie, and because I really want to wear it. See if they have these sweaters. So you guys are gonna be like, you guys don't come for me in the comment section, but I did not bring a coat. I just wasn't, you know, I didn't know. Because, you know what, I'm gonna tell you why. The destination got changed about 3 times. So, long story short, I didn't know we were going to a cold climate. So, yeah. This is what I was talking about. I think it's so cool. So, I shall get one of these. Look at those prices.
Oh, you taking me?
Driving in this weather.
A lot of gangs driving.
Here's I'm gonna jump on this.
I'm actually prepared today, y'all, and I have a bag. It's not like that bag, but it's a bag. Okay, y'all. It's like 4 a.m. We're at another truck stop. I just had to record because I have to tell you guys, this is the cleanest bathroom and it smells so good. Good job. Loves. Y'all are awesome. Welcome to Bluff. Now I'm at the dock, you guys. So you're gonna see me dock this truck into a dock. So I have to back it up into one of these windows. Mine is 13. Okay, so first, I gotta pull up. See what 13 is. Oh, there it is. I gotta swing around. This way. I should have cut very close. Check my ears. See where my trailer's at. Okay, you guys, I have successfully docked the tractor and the trailer at the dock. So yeah.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, I have reached my next destination. And it's time to dock again because the last dock was my unload and this dock is going to be my load. So after I load this up, or after they load this up, I'm going to do another drop off at another location.